Hey everyone, Dr. Lee Brown here. One of the most common dreams that you hear people talking about is their teeth are falling out, their teeth are breaking. But what if that happens in real life? Well, in this situation, we're going to share with you a longtime patient of ours, actually a family member of mine. They were out for a run, trying to do the right thing. They tripped, they fell, they busted their front teeth. And it's a scary thing. It hurts. You're worried, am I going to keep these teeth? What's going to happen? Am I going to be able to smile? But we wanted to share with you that there are options to get healthy and get these teeth strong and get them looking back to their normal aesthetics as quickly as possible. So in our original photo, you can see where the teeth were. This is a normal picture from a couple years ago. Great example of why we get these photos, so we know how to build things back just in case something happens. The next photo is actually some bonding that Dr. Gettings was able to put on the teeth as quickly as possible to give her something. You know, it's not as good as the original teeth, but man, is that incredible. She could do that together, throw that together so quickly. She got her in the same day, honestly. So that was really cool. And then the final photo is to show that we can restore the normal aesthetics. We don't all want bright, white, shiny teeth that are in there. You just want it to look natural. You want your smile. And it's really, really exciting when we can help bring that back for people. It's unfortunate when it happens, but just know there's options if you need us. All right, guys, we'll see you soon.